So we have shrunken the time available for life to have formed on this earth. The prevalence of life that we presume to be out there, the stock in the prevalence of life has gone up in the past 10 or 15 years.
Why?
Because, for me, the best argument for upping that stock value is the following. I don't know the age of everyone in the audience, but I would bet that when you took biology class and you learned the age of the Earth 4.5 billion years ago, and then you look at the earliest evidence for life, fossil evidence of life on Earth, then you get about 3.5 billion years. Subtract those two numbers, get the difference between those two numbers, and that's the time clock from beginning to the first evidence for life, okay? That was about 1 billion years out of the 4.5 billion years that Earth has been here. So that's pretty quick. Since the time we all took biology, we have found fossil evidence of life farther back in time than 3.5 billion years. It now goes back to 3.8. So we have shrunken the time available for life to have formed on this Earth. That makes it more likely. And you have pinched the time it takes to start life down to 200 million years, down from 1 billion years that was imagined just a generation ago. Practically the earliest life could have formed, it did. So just because we find it hard to do in the laboratory doesn't mean nature found it hard to do as well.